Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with Miss Lina. This video is dedicated for the circle. We have already talked about its definition, its parts, and also a preview of its standard equation. Dito naman po, pag-uusapan natin ang pagbibigay sa parts niya, specifically its center and radius, na bibigyan naman tayo ng clue with the standard equation that is given to us. So for our table, we have the standard equation on the first column. The center is the one that we will answer, and the radius is also the second thing that we have to determine. So it's very easy to determine the center of the circle because if you may remember, we will just have to follow the standard form or standard equation. In here, we have x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 9. And you can easily identify h and k, which is the center of the circle, by following the numbers that are attached to the x coordinate and the numbers that are attached to the y coordinate. So what we will just do is to copy the number, and the center will just be 4, comma, and this number will be a negative because in the original equation, it will be y minus k. So that means if it's a plus, you have to change the sign back because this means the same thing as y minus negative 1 squared. So our k coordinate is negative 1. So our center is at 4, negative 1. For the radius, you just have to look at the number that is at the right side of the equation and get the square root of that number because this refers to r squared and not yet the radius. So the radius is simply 3 units. Although the answer will be two answers, we have a positive 3 and a negative 3, hindi na po natin isasama yung negative because a radius is a distance. And since there are no negative distances, then we will only take the positive number. Another example that we have is this. We have x squared plus y squared equals 23. This is easy because if we don't find any h and k, it just means that our center is at the origin. So that will just be at 0, 0. And still, we look at the number that's at the right side of the screen. So kukunin nyo lang po yung square root of 23. And it's totally fine if we cannot find a perfect number that is the square root of 23. You may just simply write square root of 23, and that would already be the final answer. I hope you were able to learn finding the center and the radius with this video. I'll see you on the next video wherein we will discuss more about circles. Thank you.